Everybody, in this month, we still have a few more days to go. In the month of March, we made a little over $21,000 right here on this channel at Invest Desk. What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts. And my name is Syed, and we are going to take a look at our weekly portfolio analysis of Dogecoin and SafeMoon. And I'm super excited because we just added SafeMoon just last week. And that is super awesome. It has performed extremely well. And we're going to take a look at, of course, run some numbers, crunch some numbers, take a look at some hypothetical scenarios. And that's exactly what we do every weekend. Today, Saturday, March 27th, I believe. So, hey, welcome. Super excited to have you guys on. So let me go ahead and set up my quick chat while you watch the intro, and we'll be right back, and we're going to see how we made a little over $21,000 so far. So stay tuned. All right, welcome. So my chat's all set up. Awesome, nice to have you guys here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. It's the weekend. We are in the money, and I'm going to crunch some numbers, of course. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in and joining. Let me see if I can get how many we have. Awesome. All right, perfect. So welcome, guys. Hopefully you had a nice week. And of course it's Saturday, right? Yeah, it's Saturday. So I'm super excited to bring you all of the portfolio analysis. Those of you who do not know me, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have a degree in finance and of course a PhD. And I do this for myself, and I've been doing it for a number of years. And I'm also a CEO of claydesk.com, and we teach a little over 1 million students online. So hey, Invest Desk is your channel. That many of my students who I was assisting in, investments or investing in different stocks and cryptos, they reached out and said, "Sayed, why don't you come up online? Why don't you do a YouTube channel?" And this is what it is. So I'm super thankful, by the way, to all of you who has helped grow this channel. We are a little over 7,000 subscribers, and I don't know, I'm humbled. Thank you so much, guys. So we are going to take a look at our numbers. So let's dive right in. And of course, grab a cup of coffee. I have, well, that's water, but whatever you like, you can do so. All right, so let's dive right in. I'm going to open up the portfolio so we see where the numbers are. I'm going to start with Dogecoin first, of course, and run the analysis. And then after Dogecoin, I'm going to take a look at SafeMoon, which is an awesome new addition to our portfolio at Invest Desk, or this channel. And also, please keep in mind that this portfolio that I'm creating, it's live, it's real, and I only invested for this channel, right? So just so that we can actually see how we can grow our money. So based on our original investments, we have grown many folds so far in the last month, and of course we continue to grow as we add more cryptos to our channel. But I'm very meticulous in what to add to our investments, because there's just so many options. But I do my research, I run the technical charts, technical analysis, and only then, of course the market sentiment, only then we decide whether this is a good addition to our portfolio or not. So we started off with Dogecoin, which was or has been awesome. This is great, and I've been covering Dogecoin for quite some time, every single day. And then we added SafeMoon. So I'm super excited to bring you SafeMoon. This is awesome. And we're going to run some numbers. You're going to see the numbers yourself. You're going to see how many I bought, what's going on, and which price, and what the current price is and all. So welcome. I appreciate you joining in. Let me switch to the actual scene. Let me see who's online. Awesome. So welcome everybody. Craig, Bashir, welcome. Frank, Lala, Yusuf, Angel, thank you so much, guys. Charles, Joe, awesome. Thanks for being on this channel. You guys are awesome. And thank you for your support, by the way. Appreciate it. So if you're new, just subscribe, smash that like button while you're at it, and of course, the bell notification so you can get notified every single time. So in today's video, today's episode, today's live stream, right out of my office here, Dogecoin Safemoon weekly portfolio analysis, and I'm going to show you how this channel right here, InvestDesk, made a little over 21,000 so far, and we still have 3 more days to go in this month. So I'm super excited to close this month out. But then again, that's my own portfolio, guys, and of course, I'm not a financial advisor. So keep that in mind. Don't hold me to it. This is just this portfolio I specifically created for this channel, and I'm humbled by the growth of this channel, and of course I try to bring as much value as I can. All right, let me pick up some comments here before I jump into the numbers and how much we made. All right, which app I can get SafeMoon? Am I waiting for the latest updates? Yes, you are. I'm also going to run some updates, some breaking news updates. Of course, that's part of our analysis every day anyways. So, and of course, charts and some indicators as well. So that's towards the end today. So yeah, grab a cup of coffee, whatever. Stay tuned. It's awesome. And your points, by the way, are adding. In other words, I've set up the loyalty points. So the more you stay on with me here and talk to me in comments, of course, your loyalty points are added, because I'm going to run the free giveaway. That's going to be a mug of Dogecoin, and that's going to be sometime next week. I'm not going to announce yet the date, but I'm going to post in the community post. So stay tuned, watch out for that post, and set the alert for that day, because if you miss it, you're going to miss the raffle. You're going to miss the possible winning the mug from the InvestDesk merch store. All right, with that out of the way, to the moon. Yes, we're definitely going to the moon. That's super exciting. Craig says, InvestDesk, go buy FEG prior to launch of FEGS. Thanks for the tip. Awesome. I'll definitely take a look at it. This will spike in the coming weeks. I will definitely take a look at this. Craig, thanks for your suggestions. And of course, InvestDesk is one of the most transparent channels involving crypto on the internet. Thank you so much, Craig. I appreciate it, man. It humbles me. Thank you. I do work hard, by the way. I do a lot of work on research, and of course I try to bring as much value to this channel for you guys so you can make informed decisions. So thank you so much. Cheers, and thank you for being honest with us all. Yeah, definitely. I mean, if not honest, what else, right? So yeah, thank you so much. I'm really humbled. Mick, welcome. Odinga, welcome. All right, so I'm gonna jump into, let's see, our analysis here, and then we'll continue. Of course, make sure you comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. All right, so let's check it out. Awesome. So this is our weekly Excel spreadsheet that I've been kind of keeping track of at a high level, which shows you the weeks that have been, the past weeks, and how the performance was of Dogecoin. So if you were here last week, you would know this, but if you're just joining in and new, what I do here is simply run a weekly analysis. On the top here, this part are all the weekly numbers from March 22nd to March 26th, with all the highs and the lows. Of course, that's the important columns that we're looking at, the high prices and the low prices of Dogecoin. Our first analysis is Dogecoin. And then the average high for this last week, right, that ended yesterday, was 0.055 for Dogecoin, and the low was 0.052, even though, of course, there was a big dip that we saw. It went all the way down to 0.0497 on March 25th, but it bounced back up, and it's still continuing to grow. So this is the average cost, and the reason I bring average, because, of course, if you buy and you try to keep your average to a minimum, we buy the dips, and that is what makes our price lower, right? On average, our average cost, buying cost, as low as possible. And that's, of course, my strategy. I use it all the time, and that's what you're seeing. All right, the other column or row here, row 12, you see that this is Dogecoin performance for the February 22nd to the 26th. So basically we started on Feb 22nd, right? Just a little over a month ago, a month and some days, right? When we bought Dogecoin. And of course, the average buy when I bought Dogecoin for this particular channel was at 0.4 7 or 0.44 rather, something like that, right? So somewhere in this ballpark. That was the buying on February 22nd, right? And then, of course, the week of March 1 to March 6, the averages are here. You can see them, 0.057 as being the high, and then 0.0488 being the low. So definitely we bought some additional Dogecoin over the last few weeks when the prices were lower, right, at the dips. And of course, on the week of March 8th and March 12th, we had the highs at 0.0593 and of course the lows at 0.0543. All right. Anyways, it's just numbers. Let me tell you the bottom line, guys, here, right? Yeah, I know that's what you're waiting for. Here's on the bottom left corner, you'll see the one in green color. $25,000 were invested, and of course Doge, the lowest price was 0.0424. That's when I bought it. And let me go back all the way to February. Perfect. This is the price on February 23rd. The low price of Dogecoin was 0.0424. Yeah, that's true, right? So we bought it at 424, and right now the price is at what? What is the price? Let me go to Doge. What's Doge? Where's Doge? Right here. So it's 0.055. It's just climbing up. Awesome. So Doge is going up, and that is pretty awesome. Even though it had a dip, it went all the way down yesterday, or Thursday rather, or Thursday or Friday. Both days were down to about 4.49 or 50, and that was a good time to buy. So if you bought it, yeah, that's awesome. I didn't buy it yesterday, by the way, so I didn't buy it the last dip. All right, but if you bought it, awesome. That would have been a good time. Right now, it's at 0.055. So if you go back to our analysis, and if I were to sell today, right now, Dogecoin, whatever I have on a $25,000 investment, so if I do 0.0557, this is a 31% gain, and the profit here is about $7,841. Of course, minus the fees. I'm not, it's just round up numbers, right? So I'm not, doing the exact calculations here, because this is just for this particular channel, so you can see what's going on. But yeah, it's about $7,800 so far in just 1 month, right? For Dogecoin, just a little over, almost $8,000, right? Something around there, or 7,500, whatever you want to call it. But it's in the money. We're definitely up, right? And that's the goal. So just this last month, just Dogecoin, the profit is 7,800. If I'm not selling, guys, I'm not selling. This is just running the numbers, hypothetical numbers, just for you guys, so you can see what is going on, and of course what strategy I use for myself. And of course you have your own strategy. So let me know what you think. Let me get some comments here. Welcome, guys. Welcome, Jim. And always welcome, Joshua. Good afternoon. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining. If you're new, by the way, subscribe and then hit the bell notification. Of course, smash that like button. That'd be awesome. So we're talking about our weekly performance of Dogecoin and SafeMoon. But right now, I'm just working on Dogecoin. Let me see if I can move the chat thing to the right here. I don't know why is it to the left. There we go. All right, perfect. That's better. All right. So yeah, the bottom left corner is where you see the profit. That's the profit we made just this month so far on Dogecoin. So if I was to sell Dogecoin that I have, I'll make about 7,800, maybe less if I deduct the fees, somewhere around $7,500. $7,500 would be nice. All right, for just this month. So yeah, but I'm holding. Doge is my strategy on Dogecoin is holding. No pumping and dumping, guys. I don't do pump dumps, right? I just hold. I do it with my other account, with other portfolio on the bigger exchanges like Ameritrade and whatnot. So I do that in those. But here, for this channel, for you guys' purpose, just so that we can take this portfolio and start to grow. And we started with Dogecoin. That was our number one crypto that we added. And then, of course, just last week, I also added another crypto, which is SafeMoon. So we're going to take a look at how that performance is shortly after we're done with this. So this is the investment. Now, if you invested, for example, less than this, right, less than 25,000, maybe you just invested 10,000, or let's be more conservative, let's do $5,000, you would still make about $1,568 just this month, right? And we still have a few days left. So the price may go up, right? We don't know. But that's about a 31% return. If you look at the percentage returns on your money within just this month. This is a monthly return, by the way, not a yearly return. You know that average returns that you get on your stock portfolio investments, if you were to invest with Fidelity, Charles Schwab, JP, or any of these larger institutions, right? If you were to invest, they would only give you 10% a year. If you're lucky, by the way. Otherwise, it's 8%, 6%, maybe 11, 12% too, as high as that. But typically on average, 8 to 10% is your yearly return. And right here with Dogecoin, we just made 31% just in the month of March. And we still have a few more days left. How awesome is that? And even though Doge is like pretty stable, isn't it, right? It's not fluctuating all the way to, up and down. It's actually pretty decent, right? In terms of the price averages, right? Because the average price highs are 0.055 for last week. The week prior is 0.0593. The week prior to that is 0.517. And of course, all the way back to Feb 26th, the week of Feb 22nd is 0.0569. So it's been averaging pretty much in a very stable manner. And that's the beauty of Dogecoin. It's a stable currency, guys. Remember, that's the currency of the earth. That's the crypto for the people. And if you missed the yesterday stream, I did cover the breaking news about developer, the new updates of Dogecoin, the new website, the wallet is coming out for Dogecoin, so we can buy and sell easily. So a lot of things are happening with Dogecoin. So, and again, my personal strategy is just hold as much as I can, and that's what I'm going to do, and that's what I'm doing. All right. So, and similarly, the lows that you see are also 0.0468 on average for the week of the Feb 22nd, and the week of the March 1st is 0.0488, and now it's 0.05. So the lows are actually increasing over time, right? On average. And of course, just last week, if you see, it's 0.052, 5.2 cents. So that's pretty awesome because it's gradually increasing. I'm going to later on maybe chart this out and see the annual growth and whatever, not some of the additional analysis for you guys. But right now, it's pretty straightforward. I'll keep things simple so it's easy for us to just take a look at and crunch some numbers. All right, so if you invested $5,000 just 1 month ago in Dogecoin, and if you sell today at the current price right now, you would be in profit of $1,500. That's a 31% return. I don't know. I'd take it. That's not bad at all. That's actually pretty good. That's awesome. 30% in 1 month is awesome, right? Multiply that with the rest of the 11 months, right? Your 1 year, you're already at the moon, right? Yeah, definitely. So let me know what you think. Let's see some comments here. Welcome. By the way, if you're just joining in, we're talking about our weekly performance analysis. Overall, with Dogecoin and SafeMoon, this channel right here, InvestDesk, we made a little over $21,000 so far in the month of March. Yes, just last month. Super duper. Yeah, that's awesome. So thanks for tuning in, by the way. Thanks for joining in. Sonic, welcome. Peggy, nice to see you. Welcome. And yeah, if you're just new, by the way, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys, while you're here. Thank you for your support. This channel is growing exponentially with well over 7,000 subscribers in just 1 month. I'm humbled, and I thank you for your support. And thank you for supporting for super chat and super stickers and finding this channel useful and valuable. And that's my goal, and that's my job. All right. Craig Andrews, congratulations on the returns, investor. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm humbled. I do my research, and I'm walking you guys with it, by the way. I'm streaming every day for the last month, guys, right? So you're on it. You're with me on this. But of course, this is, again, your decisions, what to buy and what not to buy. But the strategy that I'm using here on this channel is live. Every single day I stream, and we go through it. And I just added SafeMoon last week, and you saw it. I'm going to show you how much I bought SafeMoon, the quantity, and of course the price right after this, before I finish the Dogecoin analysis. and then you'll see. All right, I'm Snan. Welcome. Thanks, buddy, for joining. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, guys, while you're here. So his comment is, where can I buy SafeMoon? Please go check out my video. I demonstrated in the last, it was a couple of days ago, right? 3 days ago. Go check it out. Go find it. It's called How to Buy SafeMoon, step-by-step tutorial, hands-on. So go check it out. Asnan, you'll find it. Yeah, so you can. That's easy. All right, so I have a few videos out on SafeMoon already, and of course, one of them is a hands-on step-by-step tutorial, because right now you can't buy it on an exchange like Binance. Although I covered some breaking news about SafeMoon also as we're moving forward. Alejandro, hello, hey, welcome, buddy. Thanks for being on this channel. Appreciate it. You joined. Robert, thanks. Appreciate it. And we'll see how things move on with our portfolio. But right now, we're just running some analysis here, some hypothetical numbers based on your investment, how we're doing on our Dogecoin and SafeMoon. I've not touched SafeMoon yet. I'm just working at Dogecoin. So on a $5,000 investment, guys, that's a 31% return, and you'll make about $1,500 just for the month of March, and we still have a few days left, right? That makes sense, because our lowest price since the last month of Dogecoin was 4.2 cents, and of course, right now, if I were to sell it, that's about 5.5 cents right now, the current price. So if I sell all the Doge I have, so I'm going to be probably making 25 or a little over $21,000. So I appreciate that as we move forward. And Sonic84, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Appreciate your support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing news updates. My goal, my job is to bring you value on this channel. And we're running a portfolio analysis. So thank you for the super chat supporting InvestDesk as your channel. Of course, it helps. And of course, this is all coming back to you guys in terms of giveaways. And that's what I'm going to be doing starting next week. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification. All right. You've seen elongate token. That's what Sonnet84 is asking. Went up 4,000 holders since this morning. Pretty much unknown. All hoping Musk tweets it to make bank. I have not seen elongate token yet, but I'm going to check it out right now, right after the stream. And then, of course, I will run the analysis and see what it is. What's important, Sonic, here is that, for example, the reason why I got into SafeMoon is because of the dev community. And of course, I am an enterprise architect as a day job, right? I do that too. I consult with companies all across the globe, enterprise architect for enterprise companies, and I run their infrastructures or network infrastructures. So based on that, based on my experience so far, I always value those teams, those dev teams, developer teams that are active behind a certain coin. And SafeMoon dev community, we meet weekly. So I am part of their meetings, AMA meetings, a couple of times a week, right, on Discord channel, on Twitch. And I know these guys, they're doing pretty well. I know the developers. So that was one of the reasons why I bought, I dived into SafeMoon. And we'll see how much money we made on this channel, by the way. This is super exciting. You'll be very, very surprised, I hope. But we'll check it out. But thank you for your support, Sonic. Appreciate it. Thank you so much again for the super chat and the super stickers supporting the InvestDesk channel. All right. Welcome, Mac, if you're new. Thanks so much for joining, by the way. Nunio, hey, welcome, buddy. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Joe says you have to pay 37%. I don't know if it's me or someone else, but yeah. Buy the Dogecoin dips. This coin is safe and makes to invest in until the 35-cent range. In my opinion, Doge at $2 is coming soon to an exchange near you. Yeah, a lot of new things are happening to Dogecoin too, by the way, all right? Definitely that's happening. Joe says short-term capital gains are taxed like your ordinary income. That's up to 37%. That is absolutely correct. So if you sell That's why I'm holding, right? If you sell, you got to pay capital gains tax. You're absolutely right. That's true. And I think I did a stream on just taxes, by the way, crypto taxes. Yeah, I remember. I did cover crypto taxes, guys. So go check that out in detail as to which bracket and how, which level you are going to be paying taxes on your crypto income if you sell and buy. And not only that, you need to keep track of all the transactions to show it to the IRS, or if you're in a different country, whatever your taxing authorities are. All right, so this is Dogecoin. So this channel made about $7,841 so far this month. Let me switch to SafeMoon, and this is super exciting. Check this out, guys. Check this out. This is SafeMoon. All right, and on the left, you'll notice I actually have a screenshot of my wallet here, but you can only see the SafeMoon, the number of SafeMoons. So it's a little over 26 billion on this wallet. Of course, I have others too, but the other wallet also has additional amounts. So I put 35 for this channel to show you guys the number of shares I have for SafeMoon is a little over 35 billion. And I bought it at 0.0000012. So my investment on SafeMoon was $4,265 approximately, right? For this channel. So, and right now, the price of SafeMoon is what? I don't know. Let's check it out. I think I have it. SafeMoon right here. It's at 35.0000035. Yep. So if I go back and instead of 3.3, I put 3.5. If I were to sell SafeMoon right now, the profit is $12,440. Oh, that's just 1 week because I bought it just a week ago, right? 1 week ago, SafeMoon was at 1.2, and right now it's at 3.5. I don't know. What do you think? Let me see some comments here, guys. This is awesome. SafeMoon has been doing pretty well. By the way, it went all the way up to 5.0. 5.0, which means that if I were to sell at 5.0, let me go ahead and run those numbers for you. 5.0. That was a $17,772 profit in just 1 week with SafeMoon, right? If I sold, which I did not, I'm still holding all these. I'm still holding with me. So right now the price, of course, is 33, 36, and of course go back to 42, 47, 32. But that's where it is right now, where the price is. So yeah, I'm super excited about SafeMoon. So that's really, what I made over just 1 week. 17,000 with this, and of course with Dogecoin we made a little over 8,000, so it's definitely over $21,000 so far in this. And of course SafeMoon just got started, guys, so this is an awesome. I meet with their dev teams every week, right? Yes, and I give them a hard time, guys. All right, I do give them a hard time. They are going to be listing on exchanges. They are already on BB Palm exchange. They are going to be on Whitebits. They're going to be on BitRate. And of course, eventually in Binance. So a lot of things are happening with SafeMoon. We just hired another marketing guy. That was Ben Phillips, by the way. He already has about 4 or 5 million subscribers on YouTube, so you can find that. But yeah, that's really what is happening, and I'm super excited about SafeMoon as well, and adding it to our Dogecoin portfolio. All right, so welcome everybody. Nate, thanks for joining in. Mol, Dustin, awesome. Avi, thanks for being on there. Hamza, thanks so much. If you're new, by the way, make sure you subscribe. And of course, smash that like button, guys, while you're here. I'd appreciate it. And of course, the bell notification while you're, so you get notified every single time we do a video. We are doing our weekly analysis, our portfolio analysis. And just last month or so with Dogecoin and SafeMoon, we're in the money, a little over $21,000 for this channel, right? For InvestDesk, and that's the portfolio I started a month ago and been streaming every single day doing the research every single day for you guys right here on this channel, technical analysis, indicators with SafeMoon, with Dogecoin, right? And of course, as time progresses, I'm also researching several other cryptos, but of course, I don't want to jump the gun. We might be adding, I may be adding more to this portfolio. So definitely something that you want to stick around, and of course, make sure you subscribe, right? So you get to see what's going on and how not only this channel is growing, but how we are growing at Invest Desk, or at least how I'm growing, right? But this is SafeMoon, guys. I bought a little over 35 billion shares. You see the screenshot here is 26 billion on this wallet. I have others on Binance, and there's other wallets also. But right now, for the purpose here, I have 35 billion. But just so you know, if I were to just have this as 26 billion, just for this particular wallet, we would still be $13,000 in profit just in 1 week, because the purchase price, I bought it at 1.2. There are some costs, by the way. I'm not including gas fees. So for example, if you sell SafeMoon, you are taxed 10%. So essentially this $13,000 profit, if I were to sell today, right now, you can reduce this 10%. So it'd still be about a $10,000 profit anyways. All right. If I exclude all the fees. So yeah, super excited. So 13,000, for example, in profit for SafeMoon, and of course Dogecoin, 7,800 so far. So not bad. So on an investment of $30,000, for example, we are already 13, and of course at 22. So hey, almost recovering our money here pretty soon, right? So it's not bad. It's not bad at all, is it? Let me know what you think. Let me see some comments here, guys. How are things moving on? Perfect. All right, welcome Praveen, Alex, thanks for joining in. Imagine paying the house money in tax one day if Safe goes to the moon. You bet, Sonic. That's how it is. And definitely, I'm pretty much very focused on SafeMoon. Like I said, I'm very active with the dev community, with their developers, with their backend, and see what's going on. So far, so good, but we don't know, right? But that's how it is in terms of how they're progressing based on their roadmap and analysis. So, yeah, Sonic, definitely, we're definitely going to the moon, with Dogecoin and SafeMoon so far. And of course, there are others too. I'm getting a lot of comments, a lot of messages, a lot of emails about Safe Mars, Safe Stars, Galaxy, and whatnot. I am looking at them, definitely, and Craig also has recommended a few. So definitely, I've noted those down. As soon as I have, I feel that this is something that I'd like to invest in, I will do it, and of course, I'll share it with you guys right here on this channel, because this is your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, guys. All right. Oscraig, thanks for joining in. SafeMoon is a standalone project. That's what the comment I'm reading here. There are no forks, nor side projects, nor safe coins are on their coin. Yeah, it's a standalone project. It's a deflationary coin. The coins are being burned. So every time someone sells, you also make monthly income, by the way. That's another good thing I want to mention about SafeMoon, guys. I'm making money every single day just because people are selling. If someone sells on SafeMoon, 5% is distributed to existing holders. How awesome is that? I don't know. This is just crazy. And they are going to be getting into NFT spaces, eventually leading towards scarcity, right? And of course, scarcity drives the price up. That's how it is. They're still taking a look at different use cases in terms of how to enter the NFT market. And that's what they're planning on. So with their dev meetings every week, that's what we actually talk about. It's a community-based coin. They burned the dev wallet when they issued these tokens. So so far, so good. But anyways, hey, you never know. It's crypto world. Like I say, it's a crazy, crazy world, guys, right? We just don't know. But so far, that's what we are going to be looking at. So yeah, there are other things I'm also going to look at. Of course, other coins I'm evaluating, I'm researching. And the reason why, guys, I don't want to give you beforehand, because unless I'm in, and that's a better time. So if you've been following every single day, I think I bought it live on the live stream, guys. I bought SafeMoon live. Yes, I did a tutorial, and go check that out. The price was, I think, 11, 12, or 13. One of the prices. I bought SafeMoon live. Yeah, or I recorded it. Yeah, I recorded. I remember I recorded it, and then I posted the video. Go check out the video. Uh, you see me buying SafeMoon, guys. Hey, if you missed that stream, if you weren't here, uh, yeah, you gotta subscribe, guys. You gotta hit the bell notifications. You gotta be on when I'm on. So definitely you'll find some additional information as we move forward. So thanks for tuning in. Of course, make sure you subscribe, guys. Smash that like button, and of course the bell notification. So we're running our weekly analysis for Dogecoin and SafeMoon, and right now, of course, for the month of March, we're in the money. Here's Dogecoin. So if you invested just last month in Dogecoin when the price was 0.0424, and you invested $25,000, for example, that's a 31% return so far on your money. All right. So if you invested, let's say even just $1,000 last month, you would still make $300, right? Not bad at all. Not bad at all, right? You're still in the money. And if you invested $10,000 just last month in Dogecoin, you would currently be at $3,000 in profit. All right. So these are the numbers for Dogecoin, and of course, SafeMoon is also added to our portfolio. How awesome is that, guys? Let me know what you think. Put some comments. All right. So, a couple of news I want to talk about, of course, is regarding just latest Twitter news about Snoop Dogg. Yeah. What was that song in the early 90s? I remember that was when I was doing my finance in college in a Midwestern university somewhere. Money on my mind and mind on my money, right? That was Gin and Juice. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. I used to sing. Yep. All right. Anyways, this is Snoop Dogg also supporting Dogecoin, guys. And of course, he just tweeted about, he's behind this also with Elon Musk and all. So that's, with the market sentiment, right, about how Dogecoin is being supported. All right, let's take a look at the current price of Dogecoin. It's at 0.0549, and that's not bad. So it's still on the rise overall. Check this out, guys. Dogecoin on the rise. Steady, steady, steady. That's not bad at all. And of course, the Dogecoin Reddit. And Snoop Dogg says on Twitter, by the way, they're definitely going to be able to get my NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens. I did a video on that if you want to know what those are all about with Doge. You hear me coming soon. So that's exactly what's going on. Doge is a fun coin anyways. It's going to be the crypto of the earth as we move forward. All right, so it's taken off. Definitely, that's what we're looking at, Dogecoin, and it's being supported. It's doing well. I did a video yesterday about Dogecoin development end, because of course I closely follow these development guys, because that's really what drives the coin infrastructure, right? The back end is very, very important. And with SafeMoon, this is Dogecoin, by the way, Reddit, and with SafeMoon, this community is growing exponentially. This is just so crazy. 24K members already on Reddit, and of course 140K holders already. That's going to the moon. And no doubt, that's just crazy. There were only a few thousand holders just a few weeks ago, guys, right? And of course, this is just awesome. So SafeMoon is not bad so far. Of course, like I said, I keep track of their dev community. I talk to them, and they're pretty open too, and that's a good thing. If you go to Discord on their channel on SafeMoon protocol, you will find the dev pretty responsive, and that's really nice. That's kind of because that shows you that how committed they are to this particular project. So this is SafeMoon, by the way, just added this, but this is something I want to talk about quickly, the basic math, by the way, behind SafeMoon. And this is kind of exciting. It's a long, comment here for SafeMoon basic math. But the idea is that if you would invest $100, and then in a couple of years, it will average 1% gains on a daily breakdown. If you were compound that $100 with 1% daily growth, you'll be sitting at $147,000 in about a couple of years. In about 3 years, you'll be on $5.6 million. Yes. So yeah, it's just basic math. You can go check it out yourself. I don't want to go through in detail here, but more importantly is our own analysis when we run our portfolio about SafeMoon and how things are moving. So 26 billion SafeMoons that I bought last week, and the price was 1.2, and the sell price was 5, which is the highest price, but right now the price is at 3. Let me check the price here. Yeah, it's 3.5, right? So if I were to, let's assume if I were to sell today at 3.5, so you still profit about $10,000, $9,000 to $10,000, right? And this is just one wallet. There's another wallet that I didn't have a chance to get a screenshot on, and that's in Binance, but this is Trust Wallet here. That's about 26 billion in this wallet. But yeah, it's about $10,000 approximately in SafeMoon. I'm not counting the fees in, guys, because once you sell SafeMoon, you're taxed 10%. 5% goes to the existing holders, is distributed to existing holders among them, and then of course the other 5% is burnt, goes back to the BSC chain. So that's how this coin is structured. And with Dogecoin, we made about on our investment, on this channel investment right here, about $7,800 so far. So about 21,000 plus in total. So far we're good for the month of March for Dogecoin and SafeMoon. So SafeMoon was pretty good. It was a good thing. It was a good buy, definitely. And I've been kind of researching it for a while, and I've been talking about this on this channel as well, guys. So if you're following along, I had a lot of videos out in SafeMoon, so go check those out. I have a tutorial on how to buy SafeMoon and all, because I was getting a lot of questions. So let me know what you think. Put some comments in. This is the weekend portfolio analysis of our Dogecoin and SafeMoon, with of course a couple of news. And SafeMoon, hopefully next week, as they get listed on more and more exchanges, is going to grow and grow. So by the way, if you're just joining in, if you're tuning in, we're talking about our weekly performance for Dogecoin and SafeMoon, and we're in the money, a little over $20,000, $21,000 for this month so far, and we still have 3 days. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and smash that like button, and of course the bell notification, so you get notified every single time, so you don't miss anything, right? Anything important. And I always have something important to tell you guys, always. I try to get to the meat part of all cryptos, whatever we are actually focusing on right now, Dogecoin and SafeMoon. All right, so let's get some comments here. Smiley, welcome. Thanks for joining in. Thanks, buddies. All of you new guys joining in, make sure you subscribe. Thomas, thanks so much. 29K Doge holding, awesome. Yeah, that's great. Lurch, welcome. Omega, thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Hold. Yeah, that's it. Lurch says BTT is the only coin worth talking about now. I did look at BTT. I did a video, by the way, the top 3 crypto on BTT, the BitTorrent. So it's not bad. It was okay, and I was considering investing in BTT, but I had a choice between BTT and SafeMoon, so I opted for SafeMoon. Hey, I may end up with BTT later on too, but right now it's SafeMoon for this channel as an investment. All right, Shoecoin for mine is good, 0.10 cents. Yeah, So if you're holding other in your portfolio, awesome. The idea is that the goal is to, of course, buy the dips, keep your average cost down low, do your homework, do your analysis, um, do your own research. DOYR, guys. Always do your own research, right? And that's really cool. But yeah, that's what the analysis is. So, Dr. Muhammad, welcome. Thanks for joining in, by the way. I did check your earlier comments, Doc. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support for Invest Desk. So yeah, thanks so much. Is it a good time to buy today? I don't know. What do you want to buy? Yeah, whatever you buy, it's, of course, you're assuming your own risk for cryptocurrency. And like I say, cryptocurrency is a crazy, crazy world, guys. One day is something, the other day. But overall, what history teaches us, right? Now that's important. Cryptos are not bad, and the future is cryptocurrency anyways, guys, right? We know that. I mean, that's a given. Everyone is going to be transacting in crypto. The fiat money, the currency is going to disappear. The paper is going to disappear. We're going to save a lot of trees, a lot of pulp, right? Because to print $1, it costs 5 cents. And I did the video on that, by the way, right? How much billions and billions of dollars just the US government can save by not printing, physical dollar. And yes, they are coming up with their own current. They're in development, coming up with their own digital dollar, by the way, with MIT. I covered those in the last week's streams. Very, very important. So yeah, the future is definitely cryptocurrency, one way or the other, whether now or moving forward. And of course, Dogecoin is going to be what we hope it's going to be, is the people's crypto, so we can buy and sell. And that's what I covered yesterday, by the way, on their new website that the developers are working on. I pulled up the GitHub and you saw it. That's how it is. They also have 2 wallets. One is, I guess, is multi-Doge wallet. The other one is the core wallet, where you can just buy, download for Windows, Mac, and Linux. All 3 versions of there. It's still, by the way, in progress, guys. So it's not there to download yet. They're still working on it, right? But that's what's coming. That's exactly what it is. And once you have these Doge wallets, you can just go buy anything you want. The only thing, of course, is the adoption of Dogecoin with companies, with retailers, and of course, we're pushing Elon Musk to implement Doge in Tesla, guys. I mean, we're working on it. The community is working on it, and hopefully, Elon, since he supports this coin, once he's comfortable, he's going to do it. And we also see that a lot of these exchanges, a lot of these like Coinbase, eToro, and of course Robinhood, by the way, they're going public, guys, right? I covered that in the last few days. So yeah, it's super, super exciting. Very, very fast development, very, very fast development happening. So it's awesome to see what is going on. So this is our Dogecoin performance, and of course our SafeMoon profitability of how things are moving on. And that's really awesome. I'm happy for this month, right? For the month of March. And hopefully moving forward, things are even just going to go higher and higher as more development work happens behind these cryptos, behind Dogecoin, behind SafeMoon, behind other cryptos. As long as you follow them, I follow their dev community, I do my research, I bring my research right here at Invest Desk, because this is your #1 channel, guys, for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts, right? And of course, I thank you for your support. Thanks for showing your support for Invest Desk through Super Chat and Super Stickers, by the way. I'm humbled by the growth of this channel. And of course, this is all coming back to you in terms of weekly giveaways that I'm setting it up. And I'm going to be probably doing it next week for sure, all right? And there's going to be a mug of Dogecoin on the merch store. Then I'm going to just do a weekly giveaway. We're going to do a raffle and pick a lucky winner. So that's going to come up next week. So make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified. All right, let's pick up some comments here. Sonic84 thought I was doing well with 6 billion SafeMoon. Yeah, it's not bad. 6 billion is pretty okay, right? Yeah, we're hoping, Sonic, by the way, that it goes to $1, right? That'll be cool, right? Wouldn't it, right? Yeah, if SafeMoon goes to $1. But even if it just goes to 1 cent, check this out, guys. This is cool. Thanks, Sonic, for bringing this up. But right now, the The price is at 0.00000035. What if it goes to 1 cent? Let me convert this to 1 cent and see how much money we're gonna make on this channel right here. 1 cent. Oh my goodness! On 26 billion shares that I have right now in this wallet that you see on the screen, the screenshot, the profit is going to be $265,444,645.93. I'd take it. Yeah, I'd take it. We want SafeMoon to go to 1 cent, just a penny. Just a penny, guys. Like, you know, on CNN, whatever the guy's name is, he says just a penny, right? I like this guy. But yeah, it's just, if SafeMoon goes to 1 cent, 0.01, this channel is going to make $265 million, right? Yeah, Lambos for everyone, right? Yeah. I know what you're thinking. But let's see. Sonic had a commentary. He had, what are you holding, Sonic? You're holding 6 billion, if I remember. 6 billion Dogecoin. So instead of 26, let me see how much Sonic is going to make. Let me get rid of the 2 here. Yeah, so let's say you're at 6.5 billion, something like that. You're going to have $65 million, $65.5 million approximately, if the price goes to 1 cent. Hey, not bad, not bad. So let's take the price to 1 cent, right? Yeah, it's going to happen. We're working on it. So let me change the numbers back. And of course, the current price of SafeMoon is 0.035. Correct. That is 0.035 for SafeMoon. So let me go ahead and 0.0000035. That's where SafeMoon is right now. And I think I have 35 billion in 2 accounts. I only listed 1 here. Yep, so it's about $10,000 profit. Of course, the fees are going to be deducted. There's a 10% penalty. 5% goes to the existing holders, distributed among existing holders. If you sell SafeMoon, the other 5% burn, right? So that's the power of SafeMoon so far. So these are just 1 week profit, because I added SafeMoon in Invest Desk portfolio just last week, right? This is just last week. 1 week profit, $12,000. Not bad, right? Moving forward, hopefully we'll see how it goes as we move forward. All right. So this is SafeMoon Dogecoin. We talked extensively about this a few times. I also covered the Reddit community, the Twitter, some news about Dogecoin is doing pretty well. Right now, Doge is at 0.0547, right? So overall, definitely from the dip, it's going back up to where it was. Slowly but surely, and that's cool. We'll take it. And the bottom here is our squeeze momentum indicator. I also demonstrated how to set this indicator up, by the way. This is a useful indicator. If you have not set up the squeeze momentum indicator, also known as the TTM squeeze in the trading world, go check that video out. You will learn how to use it and what all these bars represent, and it's a good day trading strategy. So I use this for my other portfolios when I day trade. All right. So yeah, that's what I have. Let's check up some comments here, guys. What's going on? How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? A wonderful weekend, Saturday. Awesome. All right. Brad, welcome. Arkham, welcome, buddy. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Mel, thanks for tuning in. By the way, if you're new, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. And smash that like button, guys. Appreciate that. And of course, the bell notification that you are going to be notified every single time there's an update, news, or technical analysis, whether it's for developers or whether it's market conditions, whether it's sentiment analysis or whatever it is. But this is your #1 channel. I stream every single day. So, hey, every single day there's something for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. All right. Mel says facts. My great grandkids. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. All right. Sonic84, there's about 50 new coins past 2 weeks or 2 weeks. Everyone's saying to the moon. 48 of them coins probably won't go anywhere near it. Excellent insight. Thanks for bringing that up. I wanted to talk about this also. You will see that the ICOs, or the initial coin offerings, there's just gazillion coins coming out, guys, and everyone is talking about going to the moon, going to the Mars, going to the stars, and whatnot, right? But like I say, if you do like any one of these coins, make sure you follow their dev community. You ought to know who's behind this, right? Because if they're not transparent, then I don't know, it's scary. I you know that I don't know, but hey, it's just your own decision. But the way I see it, if there's a solid dev community behind it, then of course I would be more interested in finding out more information about that particular crypto. And that's exactly what I did with SafeMoon, because there's a dev community. We meet a couple of times a week. I talk to them on Discord channel. Yeah, so they're pretty active. I like that. That's why I'm in, and that's why it's doing well also, right? Check the price out from 1.2 to 3.5 right now. Not bad. 1 week, over $10,000. I'll take it on a $3,000 investment, by the way. Not bad at all, is it, right? So yeah, definitely. This is something you want to keep in mind when you do intend to move forward with your investments or your own portfolio. All right. Let's see. Sandeep, welcome. Ethan, thanks for joining in. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe, by the way, if you're new, and of course, smash that like button while you're here. Appreciate it. And the bell notification. We ran our weekly analysis for Dogecoin, for SafeMoon, and our portfolio is up a little over $21,000 for this last month. The breakdown of which is about 7,800 in Dogecoin. We're up in the money. And of course, with SafeMoon, we're at $12,000 in the money just for last week. So yeah, super exciting. This is an exciting part. Cryptocurrency is just fascinating to work with. Just got to be careful. Just got to play it smart, guys. Play it smart, right? And that's what you need to do. Make sure you do your research. DYOR. Do your own research, and that's important. Or right here at Invest Desk, I'm streaming every day, so definitely you're getting some pointers from me on this channel, and hopefully they're helping you to make informed decisions, and that's my goal for this channel for you guys. All right, let's see, a couple other things I want to talk about here. We did our this is the Doge chart, by the way, and of course this is our Dogecoin weekly portfolio performance. We did that. We did the SafeMoon. Our profits in SafeMoon are here. Awesome. And then here are the charts for a Dogecoin, right? So it's at 0.0546, which is not bad, and that's pretty awesome, right? Let's take a look at the technicals here. In other words, where does Dogecoin stand right now in terms of our technical analysis briefly? So the summary says it's neutral. It's a one-day summary, by the way. The oscillators are leaning towards sell, whereas the moving averages are once again towards buy. And that's what it is. So it's slowly moving up. It's moving up. Not bad. So we just have to give it some more time. Hopefully next week it'll be back to 5.7 or even crossing 6 cents. I'll be running more analysis next week also with Dogecoin, some new indicators. We're going to have an exciting week next week with SafeMoon, Dogecoin, running technical analysis for both. There's some exciting news for both of these coins also in the works. Of course, I cover them every single day. So this is my analysis, guys. That's all I have. Let me quick check some comments before we go. All right. Where can I undercover? Welcome. Thanks for joining in. Where can I buy SafeMoon? You can buy SafeMoon at PancakeSwap. Please go check out my video. It's a hands-on tutorial, step-by-step on how to buy SafeMoon. I have it on this channel. Go check it out. Yeah, it's there. All right, not a problem. So you'll learn step-by-step how to buy it from Trust Wallet, how to buy it from Binance, whatever you want to use. So yeah, there's a step-by-step on how to buy. All right, going to the moon, Mars, going to the stars. Yeah, I don't know. We're just going places. That's crazy, crazy, crazy. And we'll go. We'll take it as long as we go somewhere, right? Yeah, somewhere to the moon. The first stop is the moon, right? And that's cool. All right. So Peggy says, I think SafeMoon is a scam because I bought Safe Galaxy and it was added to SafeMoon. Yeah, there was a question about whether SafeMoon is a scam or not, and I've been following Peggy, these developers, every week. I attend their AMA meetings. So far, they have been working at it. It's a legit company, by the way, because they registered in Utah. So SafeMoon LLC, a limited liability company, is a registered company in Utah, right? Go check it out. So yeah, I don't know, but that's, again, I don't know. I mean, that's how it is. But so far, what I have, the information I have about SafeMoon is that it is a registered company. The developers are real. I talk to them a couple of times a week in their AMA meetings, on Discord channel, on Twitch, and of course on Reddit and Twitter also. They're pretty active. And they're responsive also. It's not just that you see them talking, that you can message them and you can talk to them. So yeah, it's legit as far as I'm concerned so far. But hey, it's a crazy world. Cryptocurrency is a crazy, crazy world. But thanks for your comment. Appreciate it. All right. So we're talking about our weekly analysis, and hopefully this helps. And that's all I have. I'd like to thank you guys for your support, by the way. And thanks for supporting InvestDesk. Showing your support for InvestDesk as your #1 channel through Super Chat, Super Stickers. It's the weekend. I'm super excited. So I'm going to go ahead and just type thank you all for the support. Appreciate it. And helping me making InvestDesk as your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, forecasts, and updates. All right. So one last thing I guess I have. Let's see. Or I think I covered them all. Yeah, I did cover them all. We did the technical analysis. We did the math about SafeMoon and Dogecoin both. Of course, the Twitter is fine too. So yeah, the month is still, we have a few more days left. So next week when we run the analysis, we'll definitely know exactly how we're doing and what we're selling and what price and how many shares. As we progress forward, I may add additional crypto. I'm looking into several others, and of course I'll be making some additional videos on these as well, running some technical analysis, so stay tuned. But thanks for tuning in, by the way. Hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Smash the like button before you go, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time. All right, where am I? So you guys can see me right here. There I am. Thanks so much, guys. It's nice to have you. It's nice to see you on this channel. And of course, I value your comments, by the way. And I go through all of these comments, right? After the stream, I go through all of the comments one at a time, and I try to respond as to many as possible. So if you would like me to cover additional coins, additional cryptos, put them in the comments. So I do make a note, and of course in time I go through it. I know there's a lot of cryptos out there, but I try to pick ones out and of course run the analysis so that you guys can make informed decisions. So thank you so much for your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and looking forward to growing this channel with you. And of course, if you like, please subscribe, smash the like button and the bell notification. And yeah, we're going to the moon, guys. Yeah, we are going to the moon. Remember that, right? Yep. So $21,000 in last month in the money on this channel. Awesome. I take it, right? Yeah, not bad at all. So hopefully super excited to move forward and see this growing even further. Thanks for your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next live stream.